Yes, man. Who am I speaking with? I can barely hear you, baby.
Stacy, how may I help you?
Yes, Stacy, how you doing? This is Miss Myrtle.
Uh-huh.
I had a couple of weeks ago, I went and bought me a dildo over there.
Okay.
And, look, me and my husband, we old, and I was just wondering if y'all had something for him. Like for men's toys.
Like, masturbator?
No, well, maybe a masturbator, but he likes things in his butthole. Like one time he had a fishing cork in there, and one time I caught him with one of my wooden spoons in there.
We do have different types of strap-ons and stuff like
Y'all
that.
have strap-ons? What I do, I put that on me and I put it in his butthole?
You could do that if you wanted to.
Is there any other kind of stuff for his butt?
Well, we have a bigger selection of anal toys as well.
Yeah, what kind of anal toy? I'm new. We 70s, and I'm not new to all this.
We have, like, the anal beads.
Anal, what that is for, like Mardi Gras anal beads? What they
Yeah,
do?
anal beads.
What you do with that?
You put them in your anus.
Put them in your butthole?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, he gonna like them. Oh, they big?
Well, they range in sizes.
Oh, they have different size things to put in his butthole? Okay. What other kind of toys y'all got for buttholes?
We have different,
You got
butt plugs.
the butt plug?
Hmm?
What's that? A butt plug? What did they do with that?
You stick it in your anus as well.
But it's not like a bead, it's like a plug?
Just like a plug.
He probably gonna want one of each. Y'all got some kind of like Christmas gift basket or something?
No, we
Or maybe
don't.
you can make one, do y'all gift wrap?
No, we do not gift wrap.
Oh. How about some edible lingerie panties? Y'all got those?
We do have the edible underwear.
You wear them or no?
So we have both for male and female.
I know, but you ever wore them?
No, I have not.
Oh. What you like? You like the anal beads or no?
That's my own personal.
Yeah, I don't like that, me. Miss Murder don't put nothing up in there. So what's your name, baby?
My name is Stacy.
Stacy. Okay, so I could just come down there and meet you?
If I'm still working, yes ma'am, I'll help you out.
What, you thinking about quitting?
No ma'am.
What you laughing at, baby?
No, I have a cold.
Oh, you have a cold?
Yes ma'am.
You want Miss Murray to take care of you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, baby. But look here, I'm gonna be there in a little. What time you getting out?
Later on this afternoon.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be there in about 15 minutes, okay?
Alright.
Hey, look, you have any lubes
Yes we do.
for buttholes?
Yes we do.
Okay, what's the biggest tube y'all got? Y'all have like the one that you can put in a Coke gun? Or maybe like some in an aerosol spray can or something?
No we don't.
Okay. Well, look, thank you for your help. I'm gonna be there in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay, baby, bye.
Bye.